How to fix MacBook Mail app not syncing with Gmail or Outlook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then go ahead and use some other Wi-Fi and see if that fixes your issue. Also, check the server status for Mail, Gmail, and Outlook, as the server might be down sometimes. Next, open System Settings and then tap on the Internet Accounts option. Further, tap on the Gmail or Outlook account you are looking forward to connect. Now, if it says re-enter password or shows an error, tap on it and sign in again. Next fix, you can go ahead and open the Mail app and then tap on the mailbox. Now select the Synchronize All Accounts option, and if that does not work too, tap on the mailbox option again and then tap on the Rebuild option for the specific inbox. See if that fixes your issue, and if not, then open System Settings again and then tap on Internet Accounts. Here, select the email account and then tap on the Delete Account option and then add it again from scratch. Lastly, you can check background permissions. To do that, in System Settings again, tap on Privacy and Security option and then tap on the Mail option. Make sure Mail has permission to run in the background, and if it's still not working, you can use webmail, that is mail.google.com or outlook.com temporarily while you can contact support or wait for a service to be fixed. So this is how you can fix MacBook Mail app not syncing with Gmail or Outlook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.